Hello, welcome to solve this maths problem, which is square root of 2, the power of x plus 3 times x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9 equal to the square root of 512. So find the value of x into the solution. The first step to solve this equation is we have to make the base on both sides is the same. So before that, we have to simplify this square root on both sides. So this square root will be 2 the power of 1 over 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9 is equal to 512 the power of 1 over 2. Then to make both sides of the equation having the same base, so we have to expand this number. So when we expand this number, we get 512 is equal to the power of 9. So substitute this number into this. So the equation will be 2 the power of 1 over 2 times x plus 3 x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9 equal to 2 the power of 9 the power of 1 over 2. Then now we have making this base is the same, which is 2. Then simply we have to equate, or we can set the exponent as equal. So the exponent will be 1 over 2 times x plus 3 x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9 is equal to 1 over 2 times 9. So in the next step, this will be cancelled. 1 over 2 is cancelled by 1 over 2. Then the rest of the equation will be the factoring equation, which is x plus 3 plus x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9, which is equal to 9. So now how to solve these types of equation, or how to solve the factoring equation when this is different from 0. If it is 0, simply we can use the zero product identity to find the value of x, the possible value of x. But expanding is not the proper solution for this equation. But for now, we use substitution. So taking the advantages of symmetry, let a is equal to x plus 5 and b is equal to x plus 7. Then after, we have to express other terms in terms of a and b, which is x plus 3. So we have to express x plus 3 and x plus 9 as a function of a and b, or in terms of a and b. So this x will be, from here, x will be a minus 5. So a minus 5 plus 3, which gives a minus 2. And in terms of b, from here, x will be b minus 7 plus 3, b minus 4. And x plus 9 is equal to, from here, x is a minus 5 plus 9. So a will be a plus, x will be a plus 4. And in terms of b minus 7 plus 9. So this will be b minus plus 2. So we have already expressed x plus 3 and x plus 9 in terms of a and b, and x plus 5 and x plus 7 is already assigned as a and b. So let's substitute these values into the equation, which is x plus 3 times x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9 is equal to 9. So this x plus 3 is a minus 2, and this x plus a times b times x plus 9. If we take a minus 2, we have to take b plus 2. If we take b minus 4, we have to take a plus 4. So this will be b plus 2 is equal to 9. Then a times b, take a times b into a plus a minus 2 times b plus 2 is equal to 9. Then multiply this one. This will be a b times a b plus 2a minus 2b minus 4 is equal to 9. Then this will be ab into ab plus 2 times of a minus b minus 4 is equal to 9. So this term can be expressed as 2 times of a minus b. But we know that a minus b will be x plus 5 minus x plus 7. Finally, we'll get minus 2. Then substitute this minus 2 into this equation. That's ab into ab plus 2 times of minus 2 minus 4 equal to 9. Then this ab into ab 2 times minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 is 9. Then multiply this term, which will be a square b square minus 8 times ab is equal to 9. So rearranging this term, this will be a square b square minus 8ab minus 9 is equal to 0. So this a square b square can be written as ab the whole square minus 8 times ab minus 9 is equal to 0, which is in the forms of quadratic equation. So we have to find ab, which means we have to factorize this term. So to factorize this term, we have to find the number whose product is 9 and whose sum is minus 8. So to do so, we have this term, so let's u is equal to a times b. Then the equation will be u square minus 8 times u minus 9 is equal to 0. So by using quadratic equation, the coefficient is 1 and b is minus 8 and c is minus 9. So to factorize this term, we have to use guessing, or we have to use the quadratic formula. So this will be u is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4 times a times c divided by a. Then simply substitute u is equals to minus of minus 8 plus or minus the square root of minus 8 the whole square minus 4 times 1 times minus 9 divided by 2 times 1. So u will be is equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of, this will be 64 square, that's a minus 8 square is 64, minus 4 times minus 36, totally it will be 100 divided by 2. So u is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 100 is 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 plus or minus 5. So our two numbers is u is equal to 4 plus 5 or u is equal to 4 minus 5. So u is equal to 9 or u is equal to minus 1. So the two numbers whose product is 9 and whose sum is minus 8 is 9 and minus 1. So this equation, that is u square minus 8u minus 9 is equal to is same as u minus u plus 1 u minus 9 equal to 0. But u is equal to a times b. So substitute ab here. ab plus 1 times ab minus 9 is equal to 0. So by using zero product identity, ab plus 1 is equal to 0 and ab minus 9 is equal to 0. So back into the substitution, a is x plus 5, a is x plus 5 and b is x plus 7. Then substitute this one in both of this equation. So for the first one, a times b plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 times x plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be x squared plus 7x plus 5, x plus 35 plus 1 is 0. So x squared plus 7 plus 5, 12x plus 36 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So taking the coefficients, a is 1, b is 12, and c is 36. Then by using the quadratic formula, this x is equal to minus 12 plus or minus the square root of 12, the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 36 divided by 2 times 1. Then x is minus 12 plus or minus, this will be 144 and this will be 144, so this will be 0. So 0 divided by 2, which is, so x is equal to minus 6 is the first solution. So for the second one, that is ab minus 9 is equal to 0. So a is x plus 5 times x plus 7 minus 9 is 0. So this will be x squared plus 7x plus 5x plus 35 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then x squared plus this is 12x plus 26 is 0. So it's also a quadratic equation. So by using quadratic formula, a is 1, b is 12, and c is 26. So x will be minus 12 plus or minus the square root of 12 is square minus 4 times 1 times 26 divided by 2 times 1. So x is equal to minus 12 plus or minus, this will be 144 minus this will be 104 divided by 2. Then x is equal to minus 12 plus or minus, that's square root of 40 divided by 2. Then x is equal to minus 12 plus or minus, this will be minus 12 plus or minus, this will be the square root of 4 times 10 divided by 2. Then x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, this will be 2, the square root of 10 divided by 2. And finally, x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 10. So our final solution is x1, which is equal to minus 6, and x2 is equal to minus 6 plus square root of 10, and x3 is equal to minus 6 minus square root of 10. This is the solution, so don't forget the steps and have a nice time. Thank you very much.